In the dynamic realm of artificial intelligence, Deepseek AI has emerged as a noteworthy innovator, redefining expectations for high-performing and efficient intelligent systems. Unlike some established giants, Deepseek AI's focus lies in the development of powerful large language models, LLMs, and related AI applications, emphasizing optimized resource utilization. This exploration delves into Deepseek AI, drawing insights from the expertise of Prashant Dhawan, a prominent figure in the AI and technology landscape, to understand its significance and potential impact. What is Deepseek AI? Deepseek AI represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence architecture, specifically engineered for the efficient processing of complex linguistic and potentially multimodal interactions. This intelligent system distinguishes itself through its ability to understand and generate text with precision, coupled with notable progress in code generation. Deepseek AI's models showcase high capability while maintaining optimized resource consumption, positioning them as an appealing option for diverse applications. The key features of Deepseek AI stands out due to its unique blend of high performance and remarkable efficiency. The system has demonstrated top-tier results in various benchmarks, often surpassing models requiring significantly greater computational resources. A key highlight is its proficiency in generating and understanding code across multiple programming languages. Furthermore, Deepseek AI's research strongly suggests the potential for future multimodal capabilities. The company's engagement with the scientific community and its collaborative spirit are also significant characteristics. Versions and availability. Deepseek AI primarily offers its models and associated APIs to developers and enterprises. Access is typically facilitated through cloud platforms or direct API integrations. While specific, publicly available end-user products may not yet be the primary focus, the underlying technology enables integration into a wide array of applications and services. Deepseek AI's current strategy centers on providing robust AI tools for professional users. The design philosophy of efficiency. In contrast to a heavily visual design concept, Deepseek AI's core design principle revolves around the efficiency of its models. The architecture is optimized to achieve maximum performance with minimal resource expenditure. This translates to rapid response times, reduced operational costs, and the feasibility of deploying the models in less computationally intensive environments. The emphasis is on a lean and powerful AI engine, multimodal interaction capabilities, future potential. Although Deepseek AI's current emphasis is on the processing and generation of text and code, ongoing research efforts strongly indicate the potential for future multimodal interaction capabilities. The ability to understand and generate various media types such as images and audio would significantly broaden Deepseek AI's application scope and pave the way for new innovative solutions. Application areas for developers and enterprises. Deepseek AI unlocks a diverse range of application possibilities for professional users. Software development. The advanced code generation capabilities can assist developers in software creation and enhance productivity. In content creation, the models are suitable for generating various forms of text content, from articles to marketing copy. Customer service. High-performing chatbots and virtual assistants powered by Deepseek AI can provide efficient and accurate customer support. Data analysis. The ability to understand and summarize large volumes of text can aid in data analysis and information extraction. Research and development. The high capability of the models can offer valuable tools for researchers across different fields. Current limitations. Like any AI system, Deepseek AI has its current limitations. Multimodal capabilities are still under development. Direct availability for end users is limited, as the primary focus is on professional applications. Furthermore, the long-term performance and stability in widespread deployment are still being observed. As with all LLMs, Deepseek AI's models can occasionally generate inaccuracies or unexpected outputs. The future of Deepseek. Deepseek AI is continuously investing in the further development of its models. Future features may include enhanced multimodal capabilities, broader accessibility, and optimized tools for developers. The company aims to further increase the efficiency and performance of its AI systems and explore new application areas. Its close collaboration with the research community suggests a promising future. Alternatives in comparison. In the domain of large language models, established alternatives include OpenAI, GPT models, Google, Gemini, LaMDA, and Anthropic, Claude. Deepseek AI distinguishes itself through its strong focus on efficiency and its impressive code generation capabilities. While some alternatives may offer broader multimodal capabilities or a stronger end-user orientation, Deepseek AI's strength lies in its combination of high performance and optimized resource consumption for professional applications. Conclusion: why Deepseek AI matters. Deepseek AI has rapidly established itself as a notable player in the field of artificial intelligence. Its impressive performance, particularly in language processing and code generation, coupled with a strong emphasis on efficiency, makes it an interesting alternative and complement within the existing AI ecosystem. For developers and enterprises seeking powerful and resource-efficient AI solutions, Deepseek AI offers promising possibilities and warrants close attention.